Hi, this is Aaron from OneSide0.net, and we are here again on another video, and this time this is introduction of the Galaxy Z series, but not just the Z series, so to speak. It is more than that. Let's just start and find out, but do take note, we recorded this before it was launched, so this is sort of like a preview. We get an early access of the devices. Let's just have a look at it. The two main star of the show is the Galaxy Z Flip5 and the Z Fold5. Let's just talk about the Z Flip5. There is a very distinct difference when it comes to Z Flip4 and also the Z Flip5. And what you can see over here at the Z Flip5 is you have a bigger flex window. The flex window is actually measured at 3.4 inch, features new flex hinge, new customization, whereby now can easily check on the calendar, reply messages such as your WhatsApp or even WeChat, and of course with typing you got QWERTY keyboard support. Further opening up the screen, which is the inner screen of the Z Flip5, you got a fast 120Hz refresh rate screen. And of course, this is an AMOLED screen at 6.7 inch. So when it comes to the weight of the Z Flip5, this is measured at 187 grams, while the battery is measured at 3700 milliamp power. Of course, all of this come to a better widget mode support, sound control, and also brightness. Since you have a bigger flex window, you can pretty much do a lot of things. And upon that, as per usual, it supports Samsung Pay as well. When it comes to selfie and also the camera, since this is actually a flip phone, front and rear camera is actually together, and this feature a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide followed by a 12 megapixel f1.8 wide OIS, which support quick viewing and flex cam digital zoom. And when it comes to internals, it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, and it is offered in several colors: mint, lavender, cream, and graphite. Upon that, there's also accessories available: flip case with NFC, clear gadget case, and eco leather case. Of course, when it comes to the durability of the device, this features a new flex hinge with dual rail module, armor aluminium, and according to Samsung, it can withstand up to 200,000 fold. And of course, the glass protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and it has IPX8 water resistance. For the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5, when it comes to storage option, we are offered with 8GB of RAM, starting with 256GB of storage or 512GB of storage. When it comes to environmental friendliness, both of the Z Flip5 and Fold5 is actually made out of recycled aluminium and recycled glass as well. So this is actually good for the environment, as Samsung has committed into using environmental friendly recyclable material. So let's just move on to the next product, which is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Of course, this comes with the S Pen as a standard, and it's much better when it comes to design for a better grip, and it's slightly lighter as well this round. When it comes to the internal, this is also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, and it comes with a 38% larger vapor chamber. And multitasking has been better. You can open up to 4 recent apps with quick access as well, with the ability of pop-up window, ability to hide quick 2-finger copy content, and works for drag and drop as well. So a little bit about the camera. It is powered by a 50 megapixel OIS camera with 10 megapixel telephoto lens and also 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. When it comes to battery life, this is powered by 4400 milliamp hour battery. According to Samsung, it is offered in several colors, namely the icy blue, phantom black, and cream. And when it comes to accessory, it comes with a new S Pen case. For the Galaxy Z Fold5, you will start with 12GB of RAM, accompanied with 256GB of internal storage, or 512GB of internal storage. The next one, which is the Galaxy Tab S9. Now, the S9 comes with 3 variants. You have the standard S9, S9 Plus, and the S9 Ultra. Specific for the S9 Ultra, this has a 14.6-inch AMOLED display, but when it comes to display quality, all across 3 models are the same. it's just different sizes only. Now it has a dynamic AMOLED 2X with 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, HDR10 support, and it is eye care display certified by SGS, which is 78% less blue light when it comes to blue light emission. Of course, it also empowered with an intelligent outdoor algorithm which can enhance brightness up to 100,000 lux, and this is particularly great if, let's say, you want to use it indoors and outdoors. For the first time, all three models of the Galaxy Tab S9 is IP68 water resistant and protected with armor aluminium surrounding the tablet. So every Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, all of the three models will actually come with a standard S Pen in the box. However, there's an upcoming S Pen Creator Edition which will be selling soon right after the launch. When it comes to the camera, it has 30 megapixel autofocus plus 8 megapixel camera lens for the S9, which has a 30 megapixel autofocus camera. When it comes to RAM and internal storage, the S9 comes with 8 GB of RAM together with 128 or 256 GB of internal memory. The S9 Plus and Ultra will start at 12 GB of RAM, followed by 256 GB of internal storage or 512 GB of internal storage. Now, all across Tab S9 model available in Wi-Fi and 5G version as well. Last but not least, we have the Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Now, this has been improved and is much larger for the Classic version, which they have the 43mm size and also the 47mm size. This time, Samsung focused on all round wellness and health. It's not just on fitness, it's on heart health, stress, food, and weight. So it supports blood pressure, ECG, and body composition. It has a personalized heart rate zone with 5 zone measurement from warm-up, cardio to maximum effort. When it comes to wellness, it can understand you well as it can measure with understanding your sleep pattern, good sleep habits, and creating sleep with friendly environment. And it has good compatibility when it comes to straps because it uses 20mm straps with button button just to dislodge the band, and then you can match it with any band, whether it's from Samsung or the aftermarket one. It also have Samsung Wallet support with NFC, built-in camera controller software, phone tracking location with map support, and it supports Google Play with third-party apps. Of course, when it comes to operating system, it comes with Wear OS 4 with One UI 5, and when it comes to battery life, it has a 300 mAh battery. When it comes to the glass, it is a sapphire crystal glass, and this is applicable across all Galaxy Watch 6 models. So that's pretty much about it. Once we have the review unit, we will definitely review one of these units. And stay tuned with us. Like this video, please share this video, and subscribe to us because this will greatly support us in creating more new contents. And once again, this is Aaron. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.